name of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, you need to access the app menu and look for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, click on this one at the top right or left one. If you wish to access one-handed mode again, you can do that by choosing the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!